There are three different type of goals, and those goals are goals that can be satisfied with minimal effort, goals that can be satisfied with serious effort, and goals that cannot be satisfied no matter how much effort you put in it. Going into 2026, you need to know which type of goal you are setting for yourself. This is going to help you in achieving whatever goal you have for yourself going forward from now on. Have this in mind. It's very important and very crucial. And then stop being delusional about the type of goals you set for yourself. Remember, anytime you have a goal in mind to achieve, there are only three categories it can fall into. Some goals can be easily achieved with some effort, and some will never be achieved no matter how much effort you put into it, and some require more effort from you. They are not impossible, they just require more effort from you. So know the kind of goal you are setting for yourself. Thank you for listening to this. So for more of this type of videos and then motivations and then trading idea from me, you should kindly thumbs up on this or thumbs down also, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.